2007 Mazda CX-7. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes front-wheel drive, driven by a 6-speed automatic transmission. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable, and memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Keyless entry, leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, a satellite radio. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, low tire pressure warning. Call today to schedule a test drive.